Hey folks, it's Wade the Shoe Dog here at the Shoemakers Academy. So a lot of folks have been asking me, "Hey Wade, when are you going to run in-person instruction?" Well, the answer is now. Erik and I are going to have a class. He's going to host it in his creative space. We're going to be up in LA. It's going to be a 2-day workshop. It's going to be Saturday and Sunday, the 21st and the 22nd of September. And basically, we're going to run sessions from 10 to 4 on both days. So that's enough time to actually build yourself a nice pair of shoes. If you see on screen here, you see there's a high top and a low top. Basically, Erik and I are going to walk you through how to build the DIY kit. And basically, if you're done with this video, you're going to click down below and you're going to get to a link and you'll be able to pick out the shoe you want to make and you'll be able to buy the course. It's $450 and it's a basically you got Erik and I for 12 hours. That's plenty enough time to build yourself a pair of shoes. And hey, guess just like it says, you don't need to know how to run a machine. If we have time, we'll run you through some machines. But basically, this shoe is designed to be made by hand, which means that hey, you can build one with us during the course, and then you can build another one at home anytime you like. Um, so if you have questions, you can either ask Erik and I. Click the link and you'll see all the details about it. And folks, this is really going to be a fun class. We're going to show you, how to put a shoe together, how to glue it, how to last it. We're actually going to do a strobel because it's a little easier to build, but for your next build, you sure could do a strobel. We will show you that in the course. And we're going to have a great time. So, hey, listen, folks, I know, I know we're only in LA. Space is limited, so sign up as soon as possible. And we're really excited to see you again. Remember, folks, it is September 21st and 22nd. It is from 10 to 4 on Saturday and Sunday afternoons. And it's going to be Erik, Gavica, and myself, Wade the Shoe Dog. And we're really excited to see you. So just basically follow the link down below, pick out the shoe you want to make, and we will make it together. So we'll see you then. Thanks, folks. Bye.